Hi guys, Samantha from Jessama Tutorials here, and in today's video we'll be doing another unboxing. So look what just arrived from creatorlong.com. They sent it to me a little while ago, a few weeks ago, and so I wanted to show you guys what I got. So I've already opened it to save time on the video. So I'll just gently take that out over here. So we've got a box. And then we have these two bags as well. It's all packed really nicely. So I think we'll see what's in these first. And the bags look really nice. I mean, I'm going to use these later on. So I'll open that up. They have this cute suede around the edge. And this key charm's quite cute as well. I might try and push that into polymer clay and see what happens. And these are the ball tools that I got, and we also got some shaping tools as well. But I really like the ball tools because I needed some really large ones. And they come in this really cute little bag. So I'll fold that back up and put that aside. And then we'll bring over the other one over here. And this one also has that cute little key charm. And this one has the rubber tools that I wanted, because I wanted to get these to try smoothing off the edges of my polymer clay, since it will probably be easier than my fingers. So I was really looking forward to getting these ones. We'll probably be seeing these a lot in the next few videos. So they look great. Put that aside. Now we can move on to the box, which I'm most excited about. Here you can see what's in here. So first off, got these collar blanks, which are really cool. I'll be showing these on some YouTube videos soon-ish, where we can cover the collar blank. And you get two in a set. You can see how nice these are. So we can show you how to make your own collars out of these. Then I also got this bracelet cuff, which I'll try and unwrap. If I can find where it begins. There we go. It's a lot wider than the one that I got from Linda's Art Spot. This one's lovely. So this one will be able to make quite a few bracelets out of. It's really nice and wide, so we'll be able to do more things with this one. Then I also got some cutters. See what these look like. Let's see. So we've got these lovely shield shapes. Let me just get those out. There you are. So you've got some really interesting shield shapes here. This one's my personal favourite. And then, excuse me for my phone, I forgot to switch it off. Then I got these templates, which we're going to use as well, which are really nice. Got these lovely shield shapes. And finally I got a few silk screens, and I love these ones because they're not as easy to find like the Helen Braille ones. So I got this really cool animal print one, which is my absolute favourite. I'm gonna have to make some animal print canes to go with this one. Then I got this really lovely rose one. And I love how detailed these are. I was a little skeptical on how detailed these would be, but they're like really fine, and they're going to create some really cool patterns. And finally got this one, which also has some really lovely patterns. So we're going to be using these in some projects pretty soon whenever I get to making those. So I'm really happy with what I got, and it came from polymerclaytv.com, of course. And thank you so much, guys, for sending this in. I'm really happy about what's here, so I'm going to definitely be using these. So that's basically the unboxing video, and I hope that you guys are just as excited about getting to see what I'm going to use these products for. I'm really excited about the bracelet cuff and the collar blanks. These are the ones that I'm most excited about, because we can create some really cool projects out of these. But I'm pleasantly surprised about all of the other ones as well, the silk screens especially, and the rubber tools and everything. So you'll be seeing a lot of these products later on in the coming videos. So I do hope that you enjoyed that video, and please do check the links below, as there'll be links to the places where you can buy these products, and there'll also be a link to my website jessamatutorials.com down there, and so please do check that out. And as always, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.